Hello everyone. The sale order due date reminder app is a powerful tool that helps business to stay on the top of the sales order by providing an automated reminder for the due dates. This app ensures that the business can effectively manage their sales operations and minimize the risk of late or missed deliveries. With this app, a business can configure the days and set up the due date to the reminder of the particular order that we have created. Reminder can be scheduled to send on the specific number of days before the due date. Also, on the same day of the due date, including irrelevant details such as order number, order amount, and due date will be sent to the customers automatically based on the due date of the configurations that we have made. After installing this module, now let's set up the configurations for setting a due date reminder. So for that, we need to get into the settings. Under sales, we can see an option to set a due date reminder days. So here I have enabled a 3 days. It will works like before 3 days of the due date, it will send a reminder to the customer that we have selected. Now let's see how it actually works. So after set up the configuration, let's save this one. Now let's get into the sales and create their sales order. So from here, I'm going to select an customer. Okay, let's select an customer here, and then I'm going to add the products. So once everything is done, you can see the due date field where I need to add a due date. You can see today date is 24. So we will get a reminder before 3 days. So let's add a due date as 27 because today we will get a reminder. Okay. So now let's save this one and confirm the order that we have placed. Okay. So now let's get into the emails to see an mail that we got or not. So here you can see an email notifications will be there for fourth one. So now you can see that it will send an mail to the customer that we have selected in the sales order. Okay. And the content will be and your sales order will be N004 amounting of 890 have the due of 27. If you have any queries, do not hesitate to contact us. This is a default one that we have set. Okay. So that is before the due date that we have configured, it will send a mail to the customer for the reminder. So in this way, we can make use of this module to send and due date reminder to the customer that we have selected in the sales order. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and sales related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated sales features that we have updated. Thanks for watching.